of you, SST College Arts and Commerce, Ulhasnagar. This is SST College Udupedia. Myself, Dr. Jadhav NL. Today I am dealing with TYBA MMC's 5th semester, subject editing and writing, and topic is use of punctuation marks. Dear students, when you study about punctuation mark, at that time we must very punctual to use these punctuation marks for writing and editing the some articles. For this purpose, I am sharing with you some slides. Please, I will one by one share these things. In first slide, see, we have to say that periods or full stop. Okay, how this punctuation mark is indicating in brackets, that is full stop. Okay, for example, see here, what are its uses? To mark the end of the sentence. Okay, to mark the end of the sentence. For example, close the door. Okay, after door I use here full stop. This is called full stop, or it is also called period. Okay, for extends we are using these things. So it means to complete the process. So if I say close the door, it is complete process. Next, for this punctuation mark, it is also used as to accentuate most abbreviations. For example, U dot S dot. So it is long form is United States. For this purpose, we are using the full stop. Next one is just example is there now. C dot co dot D dot. Its long form is cash on delivery. For these short things, we are use that full stop. Okay. Another use of this full stop is here now, to separate integral and decimal numbers. Okay. For example, see 3.75% and 0.75 comma 3.55 meters. So for these purposes, we are using full stop. Okay. Some students are not using these full stops. So it is incorrect things. So as a journalist, okay, as a journalist students or as a journalist, you must use these things while writing and speaking the articles. Now in next slide, see here, we are also using some ellipses. So what do you mean by ellipses? So ellipsis means to complete the sentences. Okay, from 5th standard to now we are using these ellipses, but you don't have know what are the importance of these things. Okay, for filling the blanks we are using these things. For example, see, I am giving here, I pledge allegiance to the flag dot 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 and to the republic dot dot dot. See, this dot dot is nothing but it is ellipses. We have to complete the sentence by giving the particular words, then and then this sentence will be completed. So many of the students are not using these ellipses properly. That's why there is not unification of the sentences or unification of the your messages. That's why you must use the proper ellipses in the given sentences. Another punctuation marks is here now, comma. This comma is very important. Okay, without comma there is not the complete sense of the word and sentences. Now see, what are the uses of comma? See in the slide, to separate various elements with a sentence and to indicate slight pause. See here, I am reading this example now. See, look carefully. When lightning struck, comma, Bob Smith fainted. If I use this sentence without the comma, how it will become? When lightning struck, Bob Smith fainted, like this. So there is not the meaningful sentence. That's why we have to use comma to complete the sense. How that is? When lightning struck, it is incomplete sentence, but that process is going on. Okay, when lightning struck, Bob Smith fainted. It means fainted means surprised. Okay, so for this purpose we are using commas. Now next use of the comma is here now, to separate clause. to separate the clauses. So there are many more. There are 5 types of clauses are there: noun clause, adverb clause, adjective clause, prepositional clause. Okay, these are the clauses are there. So in this clause we are also using the commas to separate things. Okay, for example, see here now, they fought the battle, comma, but no one own. Generally we are don't use, okay, that comma before but we have to use here comma before the uh, that is but and or. These are the conjunctions. You know how many types of conjunctions are there? But, or, and these are the conjunctions. When you are using these conjunctions in a given sentence, at that time you are not using the commas. But for the journalist students, this thing must know, because your news is reading, okay, over all the world. Your news is going around the across the world. That's why you must use the correct language in speaking also and writing also. So to separate the clauses, that comma must be used. Next importance of the comma here now, to separate series. Okay, for separating the series we are using the commas. For example, just I give the example now, neither snow, rain or heat. Instead of this one we are also using first, second, third, fourth. These are the series. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this series we must use the commas, then and then it get meaningful sense. Without using the comma, there is not the meaningful sense. And last one is the use of the comma is the now to set of opposition or contrast. See example here. In this example I have given you Wilson the favorite, comma, own handily. If I use without comma, is there any meaning of the sentence? No. So to get the meaning, proper meaning, for that purpose we are using the comma. Okay, so this comma punctuation mark is very important in writing and speaking skills. Okay, after this in the next slide I am using now, see here, semicolon. Okay, so this can be used as to avoid confusion, separate statement of contrasts, and and statement closely related. For example, see in this slide I am giving you, the party consisted of E dot E, right, semicolon I am use here, R dot J, Kelly, comma, his secretary, semicolon, Miss Jordan, semicolon, Martha Bevan, comma, her nurses, semicolon, and 3 accounts, then full stop. See, if I read this sentence without using the semicolon, there will be jumble in reading. And if you are not using the semicolon in writing skills, so whatever your message should get to the other, that other person cannot understand your message. To understand your message in meaningful way, that semicolon should be used. So in this example I am using here now, after the his secretary, it means EE right, JJ and his secretary, it is one of the group. Okay, for one of the person group. So after one of the person group we should give semicolon. Okay, and another group is also there, Miss Jordan, semicolon, Martha, comma, and her nurses. So these are another 2 groups here now. Miss Jordan is separate one, Martha, Bevan, and her nurses is a separate group. So to compile 3 groups in one sentence, for purpose we should use semicolon. Okay, so you must understand the semicolon. So what is the importance of semicolon in writing? You must understand. Okay, now in next slide I am dealing with colon. After colon there is a, after semicolon there is a colon. So then what is the work of colon in a given sentence, for it precedes the final clause and summarizes previous material, semicolon, introduce listenings, comma, statements and states, semicolon, marks discontinuity. For this purpose, we use colon. For example, see here, the question came up, colon, what does he want to do? See here, the question come up. Which type of question come up? There is semicolon. So there is what you call curiosity among the reader. Okay, curiosity increased among the reader. Curiosity increased among the people. What type of questions? So same thing, same colon we are using also in dialogue also. Okay, for example, there are some more characters are there. You might have read some novels or drama or some scripts at that time. After the name of character, there we are using colon. So what is the conversation of the that character after the colon? That character speaking. Okay, that character speaks. So what is that, due to increase the curiosity among the reader, that's why we are using the colon here now. Another importance of the colon is here now to indicate clock time. See, for example, 9 colon 20 p full stop m, it means 9:20 p.m. If I don't use here two dots, then there is not the indication of time. So we must use colon to indicate particular time. See, 10:30 a.m. If I not use colon between 30 and 10, then it not indicate the time. So for this purpose, we must use colon. Understood? So these things are very important while writing the articles. Now in next slide, we will see the question mark. This is also very important. Okay, these things also very important. Without question mark, is there any question? No, it is the sign of questions. For what purpose we are using this? See in the slide, it is used to indicate uncertainty as with some dates or identifications. For example, what happened to Dean? Question mark. So this question mark indicates what is the answer from next person. For that purpose, we are using questions. So without using the question marks, there is not become the questions. So question mark is very important to get the answer from the others. Okay, these things are important in while writing the articles. Now in next slide, see the exclamation point. So to indicate surprise, appeal, incredulity or other strong emotions, the exclamation mark is very important. Suddenly, okay, there is a suddenly expression of human being, suddenly feelings and emotions of the human being. For that purpose, we are using exclamation mark. For example, see, you are wonderful. How we should use this? You are wonderful. What? He yelled. Wow. Like this. What things are going on? Like this for sudden expressions. For the sudden expression of the feelings and emotions, for this purpose, we should use these marks. In next slide, see now. Okay. These things are okay. There are many more what you call punctuation marks due to time bond. Okay, I could not explain in one lecture all these things. Okay, there are I think 25 punctuation marks are there. If I get chance in another lecture, I will explain. Okay, I thank you for listening my YouTube lecture.